Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable target affiliate marketing through partner program, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable target affiliate marketing through the partner program, start by visiting the target affiliate program webpage. Create an account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and website details. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your account. Log in to your target affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the resources section for tools and guidelines. Review the terms and conditions of the program. Read through the commission structure for clarity on potential earnings. Explore available promotional banners and links you can use. Select the products or categories that suit your niche. Copy the unique affiliate links provided for selected products. Begin placing the links within your content, whether on your blog, social media, or website. Ensure your content complies with Target's guidelines. Monitor your dashboard for performance analytics regularly. Analyze which products generate the most clicks and sales. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data. Stay updated on Target's promotions and campaigns. Incorporate seasonal trends to boost engagement. Participate in any training webinars offered by the program. Engage with fellow affiliates in community forums for tips and support. Continuously optimize your content to attract more traffic. Following these steps will help you successfully enable target affiliate marketing through the partner program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.